Hi guys. Yeah, I washed my hair and yeah, I can now put the towel away. Get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. I'm not dropping water anymore. Okay, so what I found out today. It worked very well yesterday, and I did it without thinking much. I wrote a to-do list with what I wanted to do yesterday, and I crossed it off and I put stickers and I did everything. Yay me! This was the longest to do, to sell all my items on eBay. Well, not to sell, but to post the product or to upload whatever, to start selling a new item. And today, when I wrote a similar list of to-dos for today, I realized I wish I could put the task cards here and then after that reuse them. So what does that tell me? It tells me I want to use those task cards, but I want to have the day today and I want to know what I have to do today. I want to see everything I have to do today. And then I thought, well, I have this one, but I also have this one. I could use this one for today. So I had put my big one-off task selling on eBay in here, because I thought, okay, those will be the tasks that I accomplished and that are like, they are accomplished and they are not recurring. But I won't use it very much then. I would just put it here and then close it and put it away. So instead, I thought I might put every evening the tasks for the next day. Well, today it's a bit different because I still have to do things today. At the moment, where can I put this? I will put it here for the moment. So, like with, I had the index card planner and I had the recurring tasks and the days of the month and the week in there. And then I had the second folder or binder, which was for today. And then I put everything for today here. And then I did one after the other. And now I want to do this for today and this for all the tasks. So let me check. The most important are yearly and weekly, because, well, there could be yearly and weekly tasks for today. There are no yearly tasks for today, no birthdays or doctor's appointments, and taxes is for July. And today is the 23rd, so no magazine, no cleaning, no changing. Okay, so then the weekly. Today is not the first Sunday, but today's Sunday. Sunday I have the live on Mona's SUV Reisen. It's at 6 p.m. And Sunday I always publish all the new videos on Patreon, and I schedule the posts on Facebook about those videos, and I schedule the next videos for the week on YouTube on my 15 channels. And I'm not sure why, but I washed my hair today. I didn't want to wash it too often, but well, I think I will change this card to every other day. Every other, and I have to erase hair and the red day because it doesn't fit. Hair. So this erasable pen is also in my Amazon affiliate link, which is always the first link in every description. And you find the description when you hit that arrow on the right side below the title of the video, which says more. So I did that, I put that here. And yeah, I think I will change the hair cards. I will just erase what is written there, so they are chokers. I can use them whenever I need a card for maybe a one-off task. So I put them here where they were before. And the dailies. So, well, all the dailies should stay in the today folder all the time, because they are daily. There might be exceptions. Yesterday, for example, I didn't read. But normally I want to do many things every day. Those are all the dailies. So now sometimes I will have more than 3 here, so I should put the dailies first, because I don't know how many monthlies and weeklies there will be, and I will put them in the same order as before. So steps, eating sugar-free. I didn't do that today. It's Sunday and the supermarket is not open, and yeah, hiking guide, social media, it's Sunday, shorts, bathing, and this is a motorway next to me. Sometimes I prefer being next to a motorway, because there's a free parking lot next to a gas station where I can stay the whole day, and the gas station serves as a toilet. Also, they have a toilet, and so it's perfect for me. Meditation, and reading and journaling. Oh, reading is the last one. Journaling comes before that. So now I put in all the daily tasks. And they can stay in here. I just have to do them one after the other. But yeah, those are for the evening. Actually, it starts with the bathing in the evening. Yeah, I can't really, because this is glued, or no, it's not glued, it's what do you call that in the middle? So they put it permanently here, whereas this one is a ring binder and I can open and close it. But this one doesn't have so many pouches, so it's better for just one day. And this one has so many pouches that I can use it for the whole year. So now I put the weeklies after that, and the life is in the evening, so I put that as the last one. And the publishing I have been doing since the morning, and washing my hair I did just now, and this is the live at 6 p.m. Yeah, and now the other tasks that are not regular. So I have one catch up. I have to do the catch up first. And I'm not sure I have time for another task. But in case I have, what I want to do is what I did, not everything, but I changed the Patreon levels, and I translated the new levels into the other languages. That is a one-off task, but it's not done yet. So I did a bit, but not all of it. And then so I think that's a great idea, I think. So, and this is my online magazine, Hiking Guide Hosts by the Water. This one is in German, and then I have another card for English. And I accomplished most of the tasks, but not all of them. So the next thing I have to do, you can see that dog hasn't been done, which normally I do in the beginning, but I started this hiking guide directly in a presentation on Google. That's why the doc isn't done. And this is an important step to do, because if I don't put it into a doc, then I can't make an EPUB format from it, and if I don't have it in EPUB, I can't put it on Kindle, which is the step number 12. So maybe I can do 2, let's see, but that's a very important task that has to be accomplished in the near future, so that I can finally accomplish a whole of these cards. So many of these cards are accomplished partly so far. That doesn't make me happy. But then I also have to make new videos. Maybe not today, but soon. Yeah. So for Polyglot Pocket Love It, here I did Italian yesterday, and I haven't uploaded it, and it's not on Patreon so far, so I can do that today and maybe do the Russian as well. If not, I will continue doing it tomorrow. And for... where's the opening? Ah, yeah. So in the middle they changed the opening, because I think, I don't know what they thought, but here the openings are on this side, and here they are on this side, not on that. It's not that important. And the next Polyglot Mona video, haven't I done the room tour in Spanish, really? Let me check. Sometimes I just don't mark it as completed because I'm not used to the new system. So the easiest is then to look into Google, into YouTube Studio, and yeah, okay. So I have done it in French, but not in Spanish. Okay. So the next Polyglot Mona video is Spanish. And yeah, so that's the must to do's, and then the ones I always do without anybody telling me. It's just, I know I have to do it and I never write it down, is I have to edit those videos that I publish on Muna's SUV Reisen and on Park It Where You Love It. Those that are not scripted and are not, like I call them, perfect, but they are very imperfect and very not scripted, very casual. And I always do some of them, like this one. I'm so sorry. Maybe you don't want to see those videos. So this is today now, and here are my dailies. So steps, let me flip the camera. So steps, sugar-free eating, hiking guide, which normally means put the photos in. I have put all the photos for this, for the next edition. Social media is normally 1 or 2 posts. Shorts, bathing in a river normally, meditation, journaling, reading, Sunday publishing, every other day here, Sunday live, hiking guide links, that's a catch-up task, Patreon, I already did that, and then here I want to do the document, and here as well, and here there's nothing. Why? Okay, I will put those 2 where they should be without interruption. Ah yeah, it's on the other side. And this one here. So this is Polyglot Mona, room tour of my VW Passat, and this one is Polyglot Park It Love It, the French audio, and I have to do the Russian video, so French-Russian text, bilingual, and this one is uploading and publishing of Italian and then also Russian. Yeah, lots of tasks, and I'm not sure I can complete them all as always, but I think it doesn't make sense to put less tasks than I can accomplish, because then I have to go back to the other folder and search for the next task. And like this I have them all here, and I just have to change the weeklies tomorrow, and I let those inside until I finished the card. But then also I have to make sure that I publish enough videos. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 3, that's 15 pouches to put tasks that are not all accomplished. When it's full, then I can't publish any videos anymore, then I have to accomplish all the rest before I can publish a video. I don't know if that works. We will see. So I hope you enjoyed that video, although it's always chaotic. I will leave out and open this daily planner now, and well, okay, I need shorts, bathing, meditation,